Hello. So last time we made things spin. So remember, you can create anything and you can make it spin. So if you made a house and you want it to spin, a model, you can make it spin. Anything you desire, you can make it spin as long as you follow the instructions what we did last time. Basically, insert a script into the part and follow that script and it will make it spin. Today we're going to continue with that idea. We want to create this obstacle to actually do some damage. Notice that if I touch this obstacle, it doesn't really do anything but push me around a little bit. It doesn't actually do any damage, so I don't really have to avoid it if I don't want to, but of course we want you to avoid this obstacle. It looks like dangerous, so we want you to avoid this dangerous kill script. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Today we're going to learn how to create a kill script. So to create a kill script, be sure to click on the part we want to do damage, click on the plus sign over here, and we can add a script. Over here we can paste in the script. All I want you to do is copy the script, and notice that the script is quite short as well. The idea of this script is we're creating a function, okay, and whatever it touches, it's going to check if this person is a humanoid. So humanoid are things in Roblox Studio that is a character that you can play. So a humanoid character is usually a person that you are playing or someone is playing. And what's it going to do? It's going to change that humanoid's health into 0. So it's going to instantly kill the person. And let's try it out. Okay, so over here we have a part that's spinning and spinning. Let's see if it does any damage. There we go, it instantly kills us, so that's exactly how you create a damage script. Once again, all you need to do is insert the script by clicking on this plus sign, insert a script, and this is the damage script.